In this exercise, we have to find one resonance structure that's unacceptable in the set and the best resonance structure in the set. Start out with the one that's unacceptable, and remember that the kinds of things that would make a resonance structure or any Lewis structure unacceptable might be that I've exceeded the octet, or I have charges unassigned or not assigned correctly, that sort of thing. So we'll also play around a little bit with pushing electrons here, even though it's not necessary in order to answer the question, but it'll help us think about these structures. And so we want to try to generate this resonance structure from this resonance structure, and I can do that by pushing electrons in this way. And by doing that, this arrow says that I generate a double bond or an additional bond here, but I can't make 5 bonds to a nitrogen, so I have to kick something off, and I'm going to kick this off, and so that would give me a single bond here and a minus charge, just counting my electrons on this oxygen. So that gives me this picture. Fine. Let's see if I can generate this resonance structure, and if I look at it, I can see that I'm not going to be able to, because if I push electrons here, that would give, or here rather, that would give me this double bond, but remember I can't have 5 bonds, so I've already seen that I exceed the octet on this nitrogen. So I'm supposed to circle the one that's unacceptable. That's this one. The reason is exceeded octet on the nitrogen. Okay, so how about this one? Can we generate that one from this resonance structure? And yes, I can. So I'm going to generate a double bond here and get rid of a double bond here. So I can push electrons this way, and that gives me this picture. Okay, so those 3 resonance structures are all good. Okay, which one's the best? Well, a negative charge on a carbon and an oxygen, negative charge on a carbon and an oxygen, negative charge on 2 oxygens. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so it's better to have a negative charge on oxygen. And so of these 3 resonance structures, this one is most important. So I'm supposed to draw a square around that. That's the best resonance structure.